Okie doke, I want to show you guys how to make a BOM table, bill of materials, and how to label stuff and generally communicate, document your project. So to do that, let's see here. Let's go, first you have to set up, let's do the BOM. No, let's name your stuff. So you got to name all your parts. So go over to your part studio, wherever you have all your parts. Where did I put all my parts? There they are. Wherever you have your parts, make sure they all have a name. Okay, so if you go over here on the right, and let's say this thing here, I didn't actually end up using it. I made it, but I didn't. If you right click on it, first hover over it and see if that's the one you want, and then just rename it. Rename it whatever you want. Boom, and now you got it. So I've got a top, a bottom, a back. So these all have names. My hammer, my virus, it's got a name, all that. So every part needs a name. If you don't know the name of some of them, then perhaps you could go to a Google Classroom and find that file that names everything. Of course, you can call it whatever you want, but in, I believe it was week 31, let me just show you real quick, why not? There's a document that shows you the names of all these things here. So if I look in here in classwork, in automata, back in making standard parts, I name all those parts in, if you look at the automata parts vocabulary, there you go, week 31, and there's all the names of the parts here in my BOM table. So you got them all named, that's good times. Now it's time to configure or set up your BOM table, and you do that in your assembly. So you've finished your assembly, it's all nice and pretty, yay. This is where you configure. Over here on the right, it says BOM table. So you configure, and the three columns that I think you should have are the item and the name and the material. So I have to show you how to assign material as well. Now you're not going to have those. You're probably going to have a column that might be like description, or I don't know, whatever those columns are that you don't want. Like these columns, I don't want the description column. So I can right click on it and remove it. And then right click and remove. And let's say you want to show the material. So you add column. Oh, I already have material, so it's not going to show up, but whatever I want, like, and put that there. Okay. So you can add columns or remove them by right-clicking on them. Now you got your three columns, and all those names that you named them should show up here. The material, now let me show you how to change material. Okay, so I'm going to close that. Go back to your parts. Okay, and for example, all these, like the top, okay? If you right-click on it, instead of renaming, I want to assign it material. If it's wood, it's going to be birch. So you just type in here, birch. It's going to look it up. Boom. It has the density of it. So you could, watch this, it's kind of cool. You could, I think you could right click on it, and under properties, maybe it's over here, like the bottom, you could just see how much it weighs, I think. Oh, not there. It's under something here. Oh, where is it? Oh, I'll have to show you later because it's not coming to me right now. It'll tell you how much it weighs and all that kind of stuff. Wow, come on, it should be. Okay, I don't remember. I'll show you later. So now you assign material to every one. Ooh, something like this follower here, or guide. Let me find the guide. It's made, square guide right there. It's made, assign material, out of PLA. So you're going to want to type in PLA. It doesn't come up. That was kind of weird. You just kind of scroll around until you find PLA. That's the plastic we use to extrude all our plastic parts. Okay? So next I'll show you how to actually make the document.